In the golden age of Ukiyo-e, one artist chose a different path. Not landscapes, not warriors, but the inner beauty of the human heart. His name, Kitagawa Utamaro. Born around 1753, Utamaro emerged from mysterious origins.
Some say Kyoto, others claim Tokyo's pleasure districts. What we know is this: he studied under Master Toriyama Sekien, who many believe was his father. By 1755, young Utamaro moved to Edo with his mother, beginning a journey that would revolutionize Japanese art forever. Utamaro painted women not as symbols, but as living souls. Every gesture, every glance, every delicate emotion, his art revealed the invisible. In the 1790s, he perfected Bijin Okubie, large-headed portraits of beautiful women. These weren't mere pictures. They were windows into feminine grace, featuring elongated faces, small eyes, and pointed lips that captured ethereal elegance.
The world began to see Japan through a new lens. Elegance, tenderness, and vulnerability, Utamaro transformed humanity into art.
His collaboration with publisher Tsutaya Juzaburo in 1783 launched him to fame. Over 2,000 prints flowed from his imagination, each one a masterpiece of emotional depth. He painted intimate, domestic scenes, the same woman and child appearing across years, creating visual narratives of life itself. Faces that whisper, eyes that dream. He did not paint appearance, he painted feeling. His woodblock prints captured light and shadow in revolutionary ways, using partial views that drew viewers deeper into each scene. Nature studies and illustrated insect books demonstrated his versatility, but women remained his eternal muse. Tragedy struck in 1804. Arrested for depicting forbidden historical figures, Utamaro spent 50 days in shackles. The government deemed his Toyotomi Hideyoshi prints disrespectful. Emotionally crushed by this persecution, he died 2 years later on October 31, 1806. Art had cost him everything. Centuries later, museums still echo his vision. Beauty is not temporary. It lives in memory.
His influence reached Europe in the mid-19th century, inspiring French Impressionists who adopted his innovative techniques. Masters like Monet and Degas studied his partial compositions and revolutionary approach to light.
Today, Utamaro's masterpieces return in a new form, not only to admire, but to assemble piece by piece with your own hands. Jigsaw Japan presents 10 iconic masterpieces by Kitagawa Utamaro, reborn as premium ukiyo-e jigsaw puzzles. For collectors, for art lovers, for your home. Each puzzle captures the master's delicate brushwork, his genius for emotional expression, his timeless vision of beauty. Beauty does not fade, transforms. Complete the masterpiece with your own hands. Search Jigsaw Japan Ukiyo-e Puzzle Store.